Here I have a ScanLock SLX-5. Pretty much the same thing as a Scorpion, except this one has no security pins in it and no counter milling, so just a easier version of the Scorpion. These, I'm not sure, they weren't put into production, or they were and they only made a few before they stopped, but kind of a rare one to get a hold of, I guess. But there's the key. It's a key and knob cylinder in the Schlage padlock body. Key works it. I'm not sure angles on these padlocks to hold it to let you guys see what's going on, but okay, there it's set to the shear line. And I'm going to go with the sliders. I'm just get them all. The sliders aren't spring loaded, they're just in there. No spring tension, so they can flop all over the place. I'm going to try to get them zeroed. All of them set to the bottom and then work them up from there. I think that's got them. So we'll go in here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Ooh. And there it is, picked open. I got spring tension on it, so I can't. It's twisting the tension bar. Wait. I don't want to tear this one up. There it is. Picked open. So we'll go ahead and reset it and gut it and see what we got inside. Because something's not quite right with this thing. The sliders are all good. It's just the what am I trying to say? The key pins. I only had to pick the first 3. The back 3 I didn't have to touch. And as you can see, the key, the last 3 are all really high, so I should have to set those. So this thing's not supposed to have security pins, but let's take it apart and see. That's the first time I picked it. It's got a little wire clip on the back of it here. You can see we got all 6 pins in it, all 6 key pins. Flip it over this way, and there you can see, without me losing it, there's the sidebar. And if we look in the top here, you can see all 5 of the sidebar pins. So it's all complete. Tweezers. And it's got all the drivers in it, so I don't know what the deal was with, unless I just hit them. All the springs are in there, all the pins are in it. I thought I'd find something wrong with it, but let's see if I can pull this sidebar out here, and let's go around this way. Where am I? I can see what's going on. Okay, so there's a sidebar. We'll take the sidebar out. And maybe you can see there's the slots for the sidebar. You can see right there on that very last one that there is little false slots in them for the sidebar too. So, but none of the pins are security pins. None of the top pins I just looked at were, they were all standard. And there's no counter milling. So like I said, it's just kind of a lower security version of the Scorpion SLX-5. I better quit before I lose something. And if we look into the chamber here, you can see the slot over here for the sidebar. So that's it. ScanLock SLX-5 picked and gutted. If anybody has any more information on ScanLock or what the deal was with them, let me know if you would, please, and I will put a link in the description to a page that talks about a little bit about ScanLock and the lock here itself. So thanks for watching.